So guys, we're unboxing Rayhan Lion. Actually, medyo huli na tayo sa trend. Alam ko medyo matagal nang sikat tong Lion nila. And ngayon lang tayo kumuha ng... Uy! Wait lang. Look at this guys. Ang ganda ng details ng battle. Oh. And magaan lang siya. Tapos tignan nyo guys. Magnetic cap. This is actually an inspired version of Ultramail. But I'm gonna be honest with you guys, wala akong OG nun. Medyo na-curious lang ako kumuha nito kasi for 10 years, one of the top perfumes yun. So tama na yung sat-sat, let's try na. Nice atomizer. Ooh! Wait lang, sa skin nga. Wala ring blast ng alcohol. Bango! Okay, it opens with a pear and lavender na may pagka-minty fresh with a touch of cinnamon. Grabe, ang ganda maglaro ng mga notes nito. Sweet, fresh, spicy, and very manly. The projection is also good but not too loud. First impression, 9.5. This is totally worth the hype guys at sobrang mura lang ng price niya. Nabili ko nga pala to kay Dubai Shop Baliwag at around 1,300 plus lang.